I got some delicious baby eggplants from the market, sliced them, put them in the air fryer with some virgin olive oil and garlic, cooked them for about 10 minutes, and then added them into this delicious velvety sauce I made. I put some fresh basil and virgin olive oil, a bit of Celtic salt, and this could be a base for eggplant Parmigiana, an entree. You can add a little bit of pasta and cook it with some fresh, beautiful pappardelle, casarecci, rigatoni, fusilli, any kind of pasta. It's absolutely easy. Bit of garlic. Have a look at the texture of it. It is absolutely delicious. Those baby eggplants are a game changer from the markets. If you ever come across them, do try them. You'll love them.